Welcome to Happy Info Line. We can calculate the volume of a cube by multiplying its side 3 times. Given the side length of the cube is S, the formula of the volume of a cube is cube of S. Now let me show you how to use Scratch to calculate the volume of a cube. First, go to Google search and type Scratch. Then click scratch.mit.edu. At the website of Scratch, just click Start Creating. To start programming, first go to Code tab, click Events, drag the green flag button to the script area. Then we go to Sensing, select and drag this code here. We change what is your name to what is the side length of the cube in centimeter. Next, we will go to variables and we'll make a variable. Key in the first name as side length. Then click OK. We make another variable and name it as volume of the cube and click OK. Then we drag this code to the script area, change my variable to side length, go to Sensing, drag answer to here. Go to variables, drag this code to the script area and change my variable to volume of the cube. Here we have to insert the formula for the volume. We go to operators, drag this code. This is the code for multiply. Drag another one here. Then we go to Sensing, drag the answer to here. Okay, now we drag this formula to insert here. This means the volume of the cube is to multiply the side length by 3 times. Next, we go to Looks, select this code, change the time to 10 seconds. Then we go to Operators, select this one. We duplicate the formula here and put it at the second part. Then the first part we can put the volume of the cube is. Then we drag this code to join here. This coding here is only repeat once. If you want the coding here to run continuously, you can go to Control, select and click, drag this forever code here. So this coding will run forever until you click the stop button. Now let us try. Click the green flag button here. What is the side length of the cube in centimeter? We put 3 here. Then we click enter. The volume of the cube is 27 centimeter cube. If you wish to know how to calculate the cube of a number, square of a number, area of a square, and area of a rectangle, please click the video at the top right hand corner. To watch a video on how to make a game by using Scratch, please click the video at the bottom left hand corner. To watch other videos on how to use Scratch, please click on the Scratch programming playlist at the bottom. Please click the subscribe button so that you will be notified when a new video is available in the future. Thank you for your support.